Okay, just another short video here on the Advantage lift, the air jack. And this is how the air jack operates. And that clicking you hear is the lock mechanism so the jack doesn't fall down. There's a lock system inside the jack, if you can see it there. The legs on the sides here for the out rigs, they both slide out on both sides. And to let this thing down, all you have to do is pull, lock up and lower. And as I said, this thing does roll the whole length of the lift, so you won't have any issues with getting to a front or a back, and it's air operated. Another thing I wanted to show you, this thing has a reservoir, and the motor is mounted on the front side of this rear post. However, you can mount it on the side of this rear post, and the same as if you take it up to the left corner, you can mount it on that post, inside the post or outside the post, both. So if you got some room, you put it in beside a wall and you need the thing against the wall, you can mount the thing on the side of the post so you don't have to worry about clearances. That's another nice feature of the thing. So what we're going to do, I'll let the thing all the way down on the floor, and then we'll load a vehicle on it and raise it, and you get a chance to see what the raise time is on the thing. Once that lock mechanism gets below the bottom notch in the post, you can let it go, and it'll go all the way to the floor by itself. Okay, so let me get the Jeep loaded on there, and we'll raise it up, and you'll be able to see what the raise time is on it and the sound. It's not real noisy. So let me get the Jeep loaded on here.